According to this quick tutorial, you can learn how to see Reels story on the Facebook app on Android for the latest update of the Facebook application. First of all, open your Facebook app. Tap on three dots over here. Tap on your profile icon. Tap on the three dots over here. Select Activity Logs. Scroll down and find out Groups, Communities, Events and Reels. Tap here. Click on Reels. As you can see here, my all reels are showing here. You can also find out the reel audio you have saved by clicking here. There are no reel audio in my account. Also, you can find out the reel effect that you saved here. It's that simple. This is how you can find out reels on your Facebook app, or you can see your all reels in your account. Thanks for watching.